Luto si Joyce ng kare-kare.
Let's get more sauce.
Oh, you like... Thank you, babe.
Thank you for the kare-kare.
Kain na po tayo.
Alingwana. Alingwana. Ano?
That's Kuya's favorite.
Ito yung ano, Jay.
That's not my favorite.
Ay, sabi ko.
It's not my favorite.
Because you haven't tried it yet. Hindi. Ayun, may laman yan. May nakuha ko sa ano.
How you like it, Chal?
Ay,
Good?
You got me so bad, you make it all slow down, not getting closer, you're killing me. You got us over.
Oh, thank you. You have to.
Yeah, okay lang po.
It's what? It's expensive.
Oh, it's
Wow. Wow. Thank you, babe. Thank you, Carl.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
ano naman masasabi mo? Suotin mo.
Naiiyak naman ako. Mababaw ang luha ko.
Suotin mo.
Okay. Tikman natin. Yan. I think hindi na kailangan i-resize eh.
Sabi nga rin ni Calper.
Ay, hindi pwede kailangan ko i-resize.
Luwag. Tingnan.
Ganda oh. Wow.
ਨੀਵੀਆਂ ਤੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਚਿਰ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ ਪੱਲੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੁਖੜਾ ਲੁਕਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ
Hands together for Miss Karima and the students at Paris. Thank you. One more loud round of applause!
Wow! What do you say to Dad? Thank you.
So TLC.
Wow.
Galit
What is this?
That's your gift to your dad?
Your Kuya Joe would have known what song Daddy was singing.
What is this? Who is this?
So old school.
That's Clarky.
And the other one is?
Dad.
Oh. You have a spicy hair.
Can you help me get it out?
This one. This one?
To drive us to school.
Oh, why is it stapled?
Can I see?
Boys to Men. Oh, do you know Boys to Men?
Here.
Yeah, boys to men.
Wow, you wrote this?
Oh, even Mom and Dad know Boys.
Are you sure? You're dressed up.
What's this?
Sneakers? You're Are you sure?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Nangitim ka na nga eh. Sunburn ka na.
Kailan mo daw?
Yeah, in life.
My father.
Are you wearing the
And
watch?
cook food?
No. Ano sabi niya?
My father likes to play games.
and cook food.
What?
My father can take me to school. Bye.
Bye. Say bye to them.
Bye.
Happy dinner.
Bye.
My father wants to hug and kiss me. Yes. My father has a blue car. Oh, your car.
Blue car.
My father is good at swimming.
How much is
Wow.
Like 50 bucks.
Thank you, Clark. That's my hug.
Like 70-ish.
Which one?
Gordon Ramsay.
Ooh, what's my hug?
Yeah.
Is it unlimited food like buffet?
Thank you.
No. No. You order it.
She doesn't do buffet.
Ice cream.
Hey guys. Andito na naman tayo sa parking area ng Sushi Lovers. Ito, kasama natin yung buong pamilya. Sila mommy at daddy nag-attend ng mass. Kasama sila Tita June. Kaya solo muna tayo today. Kakain tayo sa Sushi Lovers. Medyo nag-crave na naman si Joyce ng favorite dish niya. Makakain na naman natin yung favorite natin, which is yung yakitori. Ayun, nasa tawid lang natin yung kumare. Kita nyo ba? Nandun. Nag-aayos ako kanina ng aquarium kaso hindi pa tapos yung pag-aayos natin.
I want the bento box. I ate the car ready in Sushi Lover.
Okay.
Yeah, I know, Dad.
Yeah, you know?
Yeah.
Okay. Ay, yung parking pala ng kotse, no?
I'll scan na lang.
Ah, can you?
Yeah.
Ay, unfortunately, fully booked sila. Plan B tayo. Hindi ko pa alam kung saan tayo.
Find another restaurant. Don't worry.
Gahanap tayo ng second alternative restaurant natin. Dito ang bagsak natin sa Gami Sushi. Wow, wow, wow. Ayan, dyan tayo. Gami Sushi. Sana may table.
Eating sushi now. I'm so happy.
2 thumbs up.
I can
Yeah.
subscribe.
Like and subscribe. And feeling tamago.
Should have gotten that.
Yeah. What
Maybe
is
without
this?
the rice. Galbi.
Ayan, kain tayo.
And then we got you ano. You can bring a bag of chips and 2 cans of spam.
Andito naman tayo sa Richmond Center. Tapos na tayo mag-dinner. Nakakain tayo doon sa Gami Sushi. Punta tayo dito sa store na pinagbilan ni Cal at saka ni Joyce ng Father's Day gift para sa akin. Ito, papa-adjust lang natin para masuot na natin. Ayan, nakapag-park tayo dito sa basement parking. Ito yung isa sa mga gusto ko dito sa Richmond Center. Meron na silang basement parking. Tapos dito mapapansin nyo, ito, piniplay nila dito yung FIFA. Meron silang malaking screen na yan. Yan. Tapos andyan yung mga tao. Mga nanonood. Dahil walang current show, meron silang video or movie na piniplay. Kasi wala pang game para ma-maximize syempre yung pagrenta nila ng screen. Ayos din, no? Attract din ng mga tao.
Happy Father's Day, Father.
Oh, thank you. Marami pa rin tao, ha? Weekend ngayon, kaya yung mall magsasara ng 9 PM. Uy, bago to, Unique Green Tea. Na-try mo na yun, Unique Green Tea? Sarap ba?
It's not cheap.
It's expensive?
For me.
Oh, syempre kayo talaga, basta mahal, tinitikman nyo nga agad. Oh, dito pala nila binili. Ayan. Here you go. Yes.
Did you like it?
I did, yeah, it's pretty nice.
Happy Father's Day.
Oh, thank you. I like it with loose. Can we try with removing one first?
One?
Yeah?
Should remove more.
More?
One is nothing. Yeah.
One is nothing?
Pareho naman kayo talaga sa detalye.
Hindi.
Ha?
Yeah.
Like
Pag hiniram
3, 4,
yan.
Or maybe just two.
3,
Two.
2.
Yeah.
I
Or you
can
want,
do it.
you want it loose?
Yeah. I wanted to.
Sa kasya kay kanya rin.
Let's try it.
If you want one, I can go for 1, 2.
Let's try two first. Yes. And see. if it's okay.
Pwede niya pang bawasan ako.
Yeah. Tignan natin yung mga ibang option. Ooh, Citizen. All Citizen. ProMaster. What brand is it? Citizen? This one is Bolova. But parang asan yung mga Tissot? Oh, it's there? Tissot. Tissot. Oh, here. Oh, nice. Kaya mamahalin yung mga relo nito. Oh. Pero maganda siya. Maganda kasi yung manipis yung parang pinaka-face niya. Pero ngayon kasi wala na masyadong nagre-relo ng mga ganyan eh. Pero maganda yan pag naka-wear ka ng suit or pupunta ka ng formal event. Maganda siyang accessory. Tanungin niyo ako anong oras na.
Anong oras na?
Uy! Teka lang. Mag-7. 10 to 7. Yun, no? Thank you, Carl. Thank you, babe. Mail ako ng relo. Ayan, ako. Ganda. Iba talaga ang pakiramdam na nakaka-receive ng regalo. Unexpected. Pero maganda siya, slim. Slim design. Dahil sobrang liwanag ko sa labas, parang dahil pa rin tao sa loob ng mall. Yan yung bata, nagyaya bigla dito sa DQ. Magde-dessert daw. Ako siguro ano na lang, Sunday.
Hot fudge, strawberry, cherry, what?
Hot fudge.
How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down.